In this lesson I will explain to you slope of the line. Slope we have discussed in the last lesson very well, but here we are going to solve few questions regarding slope. So the question is, find the slope of the line 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. And the formula we used to find out the slope is m equal to y2 negative y1 x2 negative x1. x2 and y2, similarly x1 and y1, these are the coordinates, these are the solution sets of the line. So in order to find out the slope, first we have to find out the solution sets, means the value of x1, y1 and x2 and y2. So this is our equation of the line which is given. First of all, suppose if I say take y is equal to 0, and this is our equation 1. Suppose put the value of y in equation 1. So our equation 1 will be 3x is equal to 10 because y is equal to 0, right? So x, if we will solve for x, so x is equal to 10 over 3. So our first solution set is 10 over 3 and 0. Keep in mind, always you have to write down the x coordinate first. So this is the first solution set. Second is, suppose if I say put x is equal to 0 in A. So this will be 0 and then 4y is equal to 10, or y is equal to, sorry, it will be 4, it is equal to 5 over 2. So our second solution set will be 0 and 5 over 2. Always keep in mind, write down the x coordinate first. So 0 and 5 over 2. Third, you can take any arbitrary value for x and y. If I say put x is equal, y is equal to 1 in equation A, y is equal to 1, so it will be 3x plus 4 into 1, because now y is equal to 1, and 10, which is equal to 3x is equal to 10 minus 4, which is equal to 6, so x equal to 2. So our third solution set will be 2 and 1, right? So this represents x1, this is y1. Same thing, this is x2 and y2. Question is, we have to find out the slope m. So y2 and y1. You can take any two solution sets. In the first example, I am considering these two. So this is y2. See, this y is 5 over 2 negative 0, y1 is 0, and then divided by x2 is 0, negative x1 is 10 over 3, which is equal to, I can write down here because we do not have room, so 5 over 2 divided by negative 10 over 3, and which is equal to 5 over 2 into negative 3 will come in the numerator. It was 3 over 10, and it is equal to 5 one time, 5 two times, negative 3 over 4. So this negative 3 over 4 is our slope. So see, y2 minus y1, you have to find out the solution set first, y2 and y1 and x2 and x1. Put these values in this formula and then you can have the value of slope. Now, as I told you that you can take any two solution sets. Now I am considering these two. So now this is x2 and this is y2. So see what will happen. M is equal to y2, 1 minus 0 divided by 2 negative 10 over 3, which is equal to 1, and then we take the LCM, which is equal to 1 divided by negative 4 over 3, and which is equal to negative 3 over 4. See, the same slope. It means you can take whatever solution set you want. If suppose you have the 4 solution set, you can take the 4th one and 3rd one, or 4th one and 2nd one. The slope will remains the same. The coordinates, the values of y2 and y1 and x2 and x1, these will vary, but slope will remains the same. We will solve. We have solved here. See, the equation was given, the line equation was given, and the question was find out the slope. In the next example, we have a solution pair. We do not have the equation. We have the solution pair, which is 1 and 3. So see, in this point they intersect, 1 and 3. 1 represent x-axis and this is the y-axis. And the slope is given. We have to find out the equation. This equation we have to find out. So again, first I will write down equation formula of the slope, right? x2 negative x1. So here, instead of this m, this is the slope is given 2, and we have only one solution set, means x1. This is x1 and this is y1. We do not have the other one, so we will write down, instead of y2 we can write down only y, because here y2 and y1 means we want to differentiate. But if we have only one pair, y is fine. Y minus 3 divided by x minus 1, because this is x. Right, now we will cross multiply it. 2 multiply by x, this cross means this and this, and is equal to, okay, if you want you can write down 1, but it does not make any difference. Y minus 3 will remains the same. It will be 2x minus 2. So see, 2x, just take this negative y to the other side, and negative 3 positive, which is equal to negative 1. So 2x negative y, and this is the equation of line. If we have only one solution set is given and the slope is given, we can find out the equation of line. One more question, same thing, again one solution set is given. So m equal to y2 minus y1. This is the formula for slope, x2 minus x1. But we have slope 3 over 2 is given. y2 is not given, right? We have only one solution set. So y minus 2, because this is y and this is x, and here x minus 1. Again cross multiply it, we will get the equation of line. 3x negative 3, which is equal to 2y negative 2. So 3x, just take 2y to the left hand side, the sign will change, positive 3, which is equal to 1. 3x negative 2y is equal to 1. This is the equation of line. When we have one solution set and a slope is given. In the next example, suppose if we have 1 point, one solution set is given and the slope is given, we can find out the other points as well. Right, we can find out the other points as well on the line with the help of this slope. Right, slope is rise over run. Right, means y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So with the help of slope and this, with the help of only this point, one solution set, we can find out the other solution set as well. It means 1, 3. If we move 1 unit in the direction of x, right, we will move 2 units in the direction of y. Right, what I said, if I move, first point is 1:3. If I have moved 1 unit here, right, it will be 2. 1 unit here, because slope is 2, right, then I have to move 2 into 1. 2 units in the direction of y. So you have to start from 1 and 3, and you have to give some concentration here. See, it is 1, first point is 1 and 3. We are moving 1 point towards x-axis here in the positive direction, so our next point will be 2. 1 plus 1, 2, this one. Now we have to find out the y, where we have to put here on the y-axis. So 2 into 1, because slope is 1, so 2 1 time 2, and initially we had 3, so just add here. Our second point will be, second solution set will be 2 and 5, so 2 and 5, this is our second point, right? Same thing again, if suppose you want to move 1 point here or here 3, then you have to multiply 2 into 1, and then you have to add one more point, same thing. So our next point will be 4 into 9 here, right? 4 and then 9. Same thing, if we move negative 3 over 2, negative 3 over 2 means here in the direction of x, so the negative direction is here, right? Negative 1 over 2, so initially we were here on 1, so 1 and negative 3 over 2, which is equal to 2 negative 3 over 2, which is equal to negative 1 over 2. Our x coordinate is half, minus 1 over 2. And what will be the point of the y-axis? So same thing, negative 3 over 2, negative 3 over 2, and what is the slope? You have to multiply with the slope. These two will cancel, only negative 3 is here, but initial point you have to add or subtract in the initial point. Initial was positive 3, which is equal to 0, so our solution set will be negative 1 over 0, so negative 1 over this and 0, right? Okay, now if you move minus 4, negative 4 units towards x-axis, right? Negative 4, but keep in mind you have to consider 1 and 3 always. So initial point was 1 and 3, now we are moving minus 4 units in the direction of x, so you have to add this 1 negative 4, which is equal to negative 3. That is why it is on the negative 3. Now what about the y-axis? Negative 4, how you will calculate the y-axis? Negative 4 multiply by this slope, which is equal to 2, and then plus this 3, so negative 8 plus 3, which is equal to negative 5. So our point is negative 3 and negative 5, that is why it is in the fourth quadrant. This is very important point. If you know the one solution set and the slope, you can find out the other points on the line as well, right? Practice it, but if still any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.